Hello, today I am going to explain the concept of cyclomatic complexity used in software engineering. In the earlier talk, I had explained what is the concept of cyclomatic complexity and the link for which is given below. Today I am going to talk about the second part as the how to calculate cyclomatic complexity. There are three formulas. The first formula is to calculate the number of closed regions in a control flow graph, which can be obtained from the given program. The formula is cyclomatic complexity represented by V, then V equal to sigma R plus 1, where sigma represents the summation and R represents the number of closed regions. It means that in a control flow graph, whatever the number of closed regions are there, if we add to it, then we will get the value of cyclomatic complexity. The second method to find cyclomatic complexity, the formula will be V equal to sigma P plus 1, where sigma represents again as the summation and P represents the number of predicate nodes. It is also called branching node or decision node or conditional node found in any control graph. Using this formula, we can calculate the number of cyclomatic complexity as we have found in the first method. Let us find out the cyclomatic complexity with a simple example. The figure number 1 represents the control flow graph for a simple program. In this diagram, we find there are two decision nodes or predicate nodes. These predicate nodes will be added, so total becomes 2 predicate plus 1. So the cyclomatic complexity of this diagram will be 2 plus 1. If we apply the second rule or second formula, that is this sigma R plus 1, so we find that there are two closed regions in this diagram. So sigma R plus 1 becomes, total number of closed regions are 2. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So using the second formula, again we get the same result as for the cyclomatic complexity as 3. We are going to use the third formula using edges and nodes to calculate the cyclomatic complexity. The formula for cyclomatic complexity, Cc equal to sigma edges minus sigma nodes plus 2, where sigma represents summation and sigma E represents summation of all edges, sigma N represents summation of all nodes. If we know the edges and nodes in any control flow graph, then we can calculate the cyclomatic complexity using the formula Cc equal to sigma E minus sigma N plus 2.